Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to shed light on the global impact of single-use plastics and the importance of responsible plastic waste management. Plastic pollution is not just an issue in India. It's a worldwide problem that affects us all. Across the globe, plastic waste is piling up in landfills, floating in our oceans, and harming wildlife. The sad reality is that a significant portion of the plastic waste in our oceans comes from single-use items like plastic bags, straws, and packaging materials. Countries around the world are taking steps to address this issue. They are banning single-use plastics, promoting recycling, and encouraging the use of eco-friendly alternatives. We, as responsible citizens of the world, must also do our part. In India, we have initiated measures to phase out single-use plastics. We've seen communities and businesses switch to eco-friendly options and promote recycling. But we must keep pushing for change. As students, you can play a crucial role in raising awareness about the global impact of single-use plastics. You can educate your peers, engage in cleanup drives, and support policies that promote responsible plastic waste management. In conclusion, let's remember that our actions here in India can have a positive impact on the world. By phasing out single-use plastics and managing plastic waste responsibly, we contribute to a cleaner, healthier planet for all.